In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off notifications on Grab. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Grab application has been opened. In order to turn off your notifications, what you have to do is manage your communication settings. For that, what you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. In the general section at second, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for privacy, you'll be able to find the option for communications. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to manage the communications. You'll be able to find various options over here. If any option for push notification is turned on, you'll be able to turn it off. For example, if you want to turn off the notification for offers from Grab, for that what you have to do is toggle off this button right next to the option push notification. Likewise, you can do it for others too. If you want to turn off the notification of the entire Grab application, you'll be able to do it via the device settings. For that, what you have to do is launch open the app library of your device, find the application for Grab and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for notifications and tap on it. Once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the notifications interface. You'll be able to find this option, all Grab notifications. Simply toggle the button off. Now after you do that, the notification will be turned off. So that is how you turn off notifications on Grab. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.